crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2, and we are on day 6, moving from one hand to the other. Day 6 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So far, I have been super excited. I purchased the box originally for one thing that I knew I just had to have, and I got it yesterday. So how awesome is that? So I have been very happy so far with the thought and the things that they have decided to gift us with this year. And yes, please don't email me and tell me that I bought the box so it's not a gift, because I do think of them as gifts, because it is what I would call ho 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 to John. So it is a gift that I chose to give myself, just because I deserve it. And at the end of the day, I wanted to get some quilting, very specific quilting related things. And one of the reasons I do like the box are there are things in the box that I would have probably never purchased, but I end up sometimes just falling in love with them, liking it, or appreciating that I had the opportunity to try that or use it or whatever. But all of that to say, we are on day 6. So let's, without me just rattling on forever, let's jump in and see what day 6 has brought us. And right, come on. All right. Day 6 is interesting. It's another pattern, it appears. Bunch of stuff in here today. Ooh. All right, so day 6 brings us the word of the day, pillow. It is a project pattern for scraps. And again, it's a Missouri Star Quilt pattern. So there's the pattern itself. It says word of the day, pillow. Sample project, Sunday brunch by Basic Gray for Moda Fabrics. Project sizes are 16 by 16, 12 by 20, or 20 by 36. And then she breaks down and gives us all the measurements to do each one and what that looks like. But pretty adorable, right? I will say I have not made many pillows, but what she has provided us is the templates for the lettering. So I'm not sure if all the letters are in here or if it is just welcome, but I think it's the entire alphabet, which is kind of cool. So as you know, I am an affiliate for AccuQuilt, and I am in love with AccuQuilt, and I love all things AccuQuilt. But I tell you what, guys, to have this, yeah, it's the entire alphabet, along with like the pound sign, the letter Q, all of it. These are kind of nice templates to have. I could do some of the same things in my Cricut, but it requires that I set up and go through a bunch of gyrations sometimes that I don't want to. And so to have this entire alphabet, I have to say I kind of like it. It's a heavy kind of plexi, so it's not a it's not like an eighth of an inch density. So it is more of a heavyweight, just like vinyl, but plenty to trace out, draw out, cut out, and do what I need it. So kind of nice to have a set like this. Would I have bought this? Probably not. If I'd walked by the store, I would have had to really have the right motivation to grab this. But do I think it's a pretty cool gift? And am I happy I have it now as one of my resources? Absolutely. So again, so far, everything that they have done, pretty cool, right? So I got the pattern. I've got all the lettering in that to do the welcome, and they actually also gave us fusible adhesive to use to get us to where we need to be. So I am happy with that. I actually like the pouch that they gave us as well, because one of the things that Missouri Star does think about is storage in that. And so it's nice that I've got the zippered pouch, and it's nice that it will fit in one of my binders should I choose to do that. So again, for day 6, pretty excited. So far, 6 out of 6. I like everything that we've received. So I can't, no complaints from me. Does that mean I'm going to buy the box in 2026? I don't know, guys. It's only day 6. So let me get further into it. But the reality is, if you follow me and follow my channel, I'm probably going to end up breaking down and buying it anyways. But we'll see as the month goes on. But thanks for dropping in. Thanks for listening to me rattle on a few minutes. Let me share with you what was in box day 6. And as always, I look forward to being with you all on day 7. And until next time, happy crafting.